Alright, y'all, we're back in another video. Back with another reaction. We have part 2 of Fly Reacts making random noises. Seems like you guys really like the last Fly Reacts random noises. So with that being said, if you haven't already, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe if you're new to the channel. And let's go ahead and get on the fly making these animal wildebeest noises. Now look at this. Look at this, bro.
Oh my goodness!
Bro, what is wrong with Flight for real though? Like, if we gonna be for real, like, what's really wrong with Flight? Like, where does he come up with all these noises at? Like, he need to do the animated videos or something, the animated movies. And do the sound effects or something.
Did you see where he's spawning right now?
Oh. Gorilla reacts. Ape reacts. Yeah, look at this dude, bruh.
Fuck out my way, man! Damn!
Let me move to this side so y'all can see. I'm over here. Let me move to this side so you guys can see Flight, bruh. There goes Caesar reacts. There goes Caesar reacts again, bruh.
Y'all hear that? Look, oh man,
Bro, what is wrong with this dude, bro? Yeah, we used to that noise, bro. We're not used to that.
Hey man, we got Detroit Pistons versus the Portland.
What is that? Hey, Flight do be doing that in his outro, though. Flight really possessed, bro.
Hey man, we got the Detroit Pistons versus the Portland. It's changed with the winter, fall, winter, and hot.
You see me, bro?
Why did you just like that? It's the last time I paused the video, by the way. Bro, remember earlier I said I was just so playing the
He's studying make his own language, bro.
Hey, I'm the chosen one.
That's crazy.
There she goes.
I mean, I really don't know what to say because we already seen Fly Reacts act like this, so it's just like.
Like, look at this.
You just look at him though. Look at his face, bro.
Daniel.
It's all for the react.
What? We know, but she keeps sucking.
That's what we all say to you, Flight. We just say what. This whole video has just been like, what? Listen closely, you gonna say what? That's what we said this whole video.
What?
That's what I'm saying this whole video,
She
Flight.
keeps sucking.
Oh man. Flight made his match. Y'all seen that? Y'all peeped how Flight made his match? With the screaming look.
What?
He made his match look.
She keeps sucking. Too many dance moves like those.
The way how he does that Mario voice, that always has me dead, bro. Y'all gotta really listen to him doing the Mario voice after this video finishes buffering. Yeah, but Flight, like I titled the last video, he's really a possessed wildebeest.
Too many dance moves like those.
He's really a possessed wildebeest, bro.
serving
is that,
in
the
Vietnam
seal?
War. I'm not doing that shit!
Surprisingly, his stunt allegedly worked.
This makes sense!
Well, that's going to end off this video of Flat Reacts. Just making random animal beast noises. But anyway, make sure you guys, if you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe if you're new to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next video.